Yo, it's Jake from Just For You Fitness. If you're logging on to this, I want you to like it in real time, not like it as you're going on. Start throwing some comments on as well. I'd really appreciate that. A topic that's close to personal trainer's heart and the gym's heart, but is really relevant to where a lot of people are at. And that is why you quit the gym or you've put yourself off from joining in the first place. Okay, we're going to go through 3 reasons. Number 1, the main one, which I think is the main one for everything, lack of results. So just because you're at the gym is not an indicator that you're going to get results, because there's a few elements that go into it. But there's nothing more demotivating than coming to the gym, starting an exercise plan, starting a nutrition plan, and not getting results at all. And that's one of the biggest reasons that people quit the gym, is because they kind of come, they think that they know best, doing what they're doing is going to get them to where they want to be. They don't look at changing anything that got them to where they're at in terms of where they're at physically, and then time goes by, laziness kicks in, life gets in the way, you don't get any results, and then you quit the gym, and then you're back to square one anyway. And the reason for that is you're scared to ask for help, okay? There is loads of providers now that bang out lots of good quality info. Follow Just For You Fitness, and I know I'm on the page anyway, but if you don't follow us. There's lots of relevant info that you can take into the gym to start getting you results. Information is not the issue, guys. There's lots of information to help you get results. Implementation is the actual issue, and that's where trainers come in. Some people can implement, but some people can't, and that is what we are here for. But don't feel like you can't ask for help. Trainers and the gym staff are there for you to ask questions. There seems to be a really weird thing at the moment where people are scared to go and speak to the trainer or speak to the gym because they think they're going to be sold to all the time. We're here to give you advice and help. We're not there to help you implement it. If you want help, that's when we'll have a conversation about implementing it, and the aim would be to get you results. Tying back to the first question, results will be the key to getting you started. Okay, number 3, you think it's more complicated than it actually is. And this will go back to the point of why you put yourself off joining. People have got a thing in their head that they've got to do loads of crazy complicated stuff to get results. Consistency is key, and finding a baseline. If you don't know what your baselines are, that's what the trainer's there for, and that's what following the 3 info via the Just For You Fitness page will do to get you started. It's not a complicated process, you just have to start. If you're overthinking everything, you're not going to get results, and you're going to overthink actually joining the gym. But actually starting and then asking for a bit of help, learning what your baselines are, will be counterintuitive for you getting results. Counterintuitive is the wrong word, but you'll start getting results if you just start and you be consistent. Only call to action is if you want help, throw a message in the message box on the Just For You Fitness page, and please like, comment, share, and